She works very hard. She works very hard. Feel. Feel. I feel good. I feel good. Need. Need. I need your help. I need your help. Find. Find. She finds them. She finds them. Take. Take. You can take it. You can take it. Person. Person. He is a good person. He is a good person. And this is an apple. This is an apple. People. People. I love talking to people. I love talking to people. Outside. Outside. Go outside. Go outside. Only. Only. Only you can help me. Only you can help me. Just. Just. I have just done it. I have just done it. Must. Must. You must listen to me. You must listen to me. Now. Now. I'm busy now. I'm busy now. Minute. Minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yesterday. Yesterday. I was there yesterday. I was there yesterday. Hour. Hour. I waited for an hour. I waited for an hour. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. She will see him tomorrow. She will see him tomorrow. Always. Always. I always support him. I always support him. Often. Often. He often makes mistakes. He often makes mistakes. Usually. Usually. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes. Sometimes. I sometimes ride a bicycle. I sometimes ride a bicycle. Then. I got up, then I went to the bathroom. I got up, then I went to the bathroom. Canada. Canada. They are from Canada. They are from Canada. After. After. I always stretch after running. I always stretch after running. Before. Before. This was before I knew many words. This was before I knew many words.